Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Money Phone. My name is Ryan and today I'll be showing you how to take burst photos with the iPhone 13 Pro. First, we're going to open up the Settings app and we're going to turn on something that will allow us to use our volume button to take burst photos. So go to your settings, go to your camera settings, and you can see this option to turn on use volume up for burst. And now we should be able to use our volume button to take burst photos. So open up your camera app. Before, on an iPhone, you would hold down the capture button and that would take burst photos, but now that is a quick video taking option. So instead, we're going to hold down the up volume button and that's going to take the burst photo. Now if we open that up, we can find that burst 14 photos that were taken, hit select, and then we can look at all of the photos that we just took in that burst photo. And that is how to take burst photos with the iPhone 13 Pro.